Hey guys, today in this video we are gonna be talking about Instagram tips, tricks and features that you should definitely know in the year of 2024. So without wasting any time, let's first hit the intro. Please editor, go on.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so I have divided all of these Instagram tips, tricks and features into 4 categories. So firstly, we're going to talk about Instagram story features. Then after that, we'll talk about some Instagram Reels features. And once that will be done, we're going to be talking about Instagram DM features. And at the end, there will be some cool minor settings that you should definitely try out. Alright, so first let's talk about the story features. And the number 1 in that is to make confetti on Instagram secretly. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and then tap on the Your Story section and then scroll down, and here you just have to select the countdown feature, and let's add the countdown for today, and here select the time. Now what you have to do is just make this a little smaller and just throw it to the side so that it won't be visible to your story. And now just add your story. So now that you put your countdown story, once somebody will see that story, they'll also see a confetti with it, and that will make your story more appealing. And on the second number, we have increasing engagement from stickers by adding GIF behind it. So to do that, again go to the story section. Here just select any of the photo that you want as your story, and let's zoom it. Now scroll down, and here just add this sticker option. And you know it looks very pale and not so appealing, but wait a second. Now if I go back again, and here just tap on GIF, and now search GIF like circle. So I like this fire one, let's select this. Just look how amazing the sticker looks, and it looks engaging and appealing as well. And this will also make people engage with your story and react to your story much more. Alright, on the third number, we have a new secret text in Instagram. So let's see how to add that secret text or font style in Instagram in your story. Now keep in mind that this feature only works for iPhone. So Papyrus is basically a font style that is used mainly in media. So on your iPhone, first of all, go to Instagram, here tap on the plus icon, and here tap on the any photo that you'll want as story. And here first go to this font style. Now here you'll see as I write Papyrus, just see the magic. And this is the Papyrus font, and you can use it as well. Let's say I want to write something, and once you've written it, just remove Papyrus. So as you saw, we discovered a new font that nobody else is using in the story and looks pretty cool. So that's how you can add this type of fonts in your story just by doing this simple trick. And once you do that, people will be asking you that what type of font you are using, because they don't know this type of fonts exist in Instagram. Alright, so the next feature also is based on iPhone, as it works on iPhone only. And that is the cutout feature on iOS that we see natively, and how we can use it on Instagram so that we can make our story more appealing. So let's see how to do that. So as you can see, we have this red background, and now let me get back to photos, and here I'll select a cool looking photo of mine. In this photo I look cool, so let me pick that and just tap and hold. I can see the option of copy, just tap on it. Now go back and just tap on paste, and as you can see, this cutout is right now on my story. So let me just align it, and now I can also add a text to make it more interesting. So right now, as you can see, this layer is on top of my cutout. So if I just tap and hold and bring it down, and you can see it is going to the back. So if I just enlarge it, look how amazing and premium this story feels just by doing all of these things natively on Instagram and with the help of cutout feature on Photos app. It completely looks as if it was made by a graphic designer, and you can do that as well just by following these simple steps. And now with that, our story features are over. But apart from that, there are some cool little new additions as well that I really want you to know about. So again, if we go to the story section and scroll down, here you'll see lots of new types of features. Let's say there's frames, which is a new feature where you can add any photo as a frame. And if we look down, then there's add yours templates, where you can add any type of music, and other people can also add music with that as well. Then you'll see cutouts feature as well, which natively cutouts your photo and make it as a sticker. So you can use it as a sticker. And at the end, there's reveal feature as well. And here the other person has to message to reveal what's behind the photo. And if I just tap on preview, and you can see that it will look like this. as the photo will be blurred and the other person has to text to reveal what's in the photo. So these were the few little addition to the Instagram story features. With that, now let's talk about Instagram DM features, as there are new additions in that as well. Alright, now let's go to the messages section, and here the first thing is that now you can also pin messages on your Instagram. So to do that, just tap on the chat and here tap on pin, and the chat is pinned. Similarly, I can tap on the other chat and pin it. So as you can see, both of these chats are pinned, and I can also unpin them. Apart from this, you can also edit Instagram text, and I sent it and then I realized I've done a typo, so I just have to tap here and then just tap on edit and change whatever was the mistake. And once that's done, just tap on done. And as you can see, the message has been changed, and on the top of it, edited bar can be seen. That means that this message has been edited. And it has been a great addition because a lot of the times we do such mistakes. And these features are very similar to WhatsApp as well, because one of them is to turn off read receipts. Yes, that's right, because just like WhatsApp, you can now turn off read receipts on Instagram. So let's say I've opened up a chat, and if I tap on the name of the chat, and here if I go to privacy and safety, here you'll see the option of read receipts, which means that others can see when you've read their messages. Alright. So now Instagram DM features are done. Now let's talk about some minor but cool little reel features. And now let me go to the reel section. So while you're scrolling reels and you found that reel that you want to share with your friends. Now what if I tell you that if you just tap and hold on this, and you can directly send your reel to all of the top contacts that you frequently send reels to, which are basically your friends or family members. Also, while you're scrolling reel, have you ever seen this option? It's following and nearby. So it basically means that I'll only see reels to whom I am following, and I can just get rid of all the clutter that is on my reels feed. And also there's nearby option, which shows you the reels nearby to your location. For example, I live in Gujarat, so I'll only see Gujarati reels here. So if that's what you want to see reels based on your location, then this is a pretty great way. Alright, the reel section is done, but there are few settings that I really want to talk to you about. So let's start that. So if I just tap on the three dots here, and if I go to account center, and let's say I go to your information and permissions, and let's go to search history, and here just pick your Instagram section, and here you can see all of your search history that you've done in the past 30 days. And if I go back and if I tap on search, it doesn't matter that if there are here or not. Even if I've deleted all these searches, I can still find those in the settings that I just talked to you about. And also, while we're in the settings, if you tap on add preferences, and here tap on add topics, and here just tap on view and manage topics, and here you'll see lots of options here. And here you can select all of the options for which you don't want to see ads. And here are two options, no preference and see less. Just tap on see less. That means you'll see less of the ads, but keep in mind that you'll still see ads, but the frequency will be less. They won't be completely wiped out of your Instagram. So if you just tap back and go to the main settings and scroll down, here you'll see the trending audio section. And this setting will make your reels go viral because there are lots of trending audio that you can try out on your reels, which will make your reels reach more wider. So it's a pretty cool feature that Instagram has recently added. And with that, all our Instagram tips, tricks and hidden features are done. Now your job is to let me know in the comment section that which tip you liked the most. And of course, if you have reached till here, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, that is Geekified. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life and let me also enjoy my life.
Bonus.
And it has been a great addition because a lot of the times,